Here's the Fanimation Edgewood, another one of these, and yeah, I'm filming it in the daytime this time because I didn't really get a good lighting the last time. Definitely a nice looking fan. I mean, it's 52 inches, still uses 180 millimeter motor in these, so that's how we got the new fob on it. Want the new logo. Low speed. Still very nice looking fan, very good air mover too. Honestly, really like these. They're still being made today. They came in 44 inches, 52 inches, 60 inches, and 72 inches. This one's the 52 inch one, so this one definitely got some power to it. Definitely nice looking indoor outdoor fan, honestly. That's low. Medium. Honestly, this thing is really nice, but it just has some wobbling issues, you can tell. Already on medium, it's starting to wobble a little bit. Because that's due to the blades on this one, I think it's a little bit off. Or definitely something might be loose. Very neat fan. It just wobbles a little bit. And that's it with medium. I think we're gonna go full power. High speed. As I said, I've done this video of this fan before, but I haven't really done it with good lighting. So this is why we're doing it with good lighting, so you can get a nice look at it. High speed, we're doing close to 200 RPM, but I mean, it's still very, very fast, very powerful. It says it does about 172 on the Fanimation's website, but I highly doubt it does. I highly doubt it's fast. I think it's faster. It looks a little bit faster to me than 170 something, but it moves a good amount of air. It moves a ton of air for what it is. I mean, it's like K5 category performance. I mean, so yeah, definitely recommended for anybody who really wants a very good fan. So yeah, I pretty much am going to end the video here. So yeah, there you have it.